Good morning, students. Today I am going to introduce a new subject to you, and that is economics. Let me first tell you what is economics or the meaning of economics. Economics is a social science that deals with production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Now we will move on to chapter 15, Understanding Economic Activities. I have explained the meaning of economics. Now, what does economic activity means? Any action that involves producing, distributing, or consuming products or services is an economic activity. It involves money or exchange of products. As we all know, people around us do different kinds of activities to fulfill their needs. Some activities involve producing goods, and some activities provide services to people. Both kinds of activities, that is, producing goods and providing services, are called economic activities. Most economic activities are activities in which money is exchanged. Goods and services are part of the production process. We pay money to buy them. Some examples of economic activities are farmers growing and selling crops, making and selling of clay pots, teachers teaching in school, carpenters making furniture, factories manufacturing, gathering of honey from the forest and selling it, spinning thread from silk, culturing and selling fish, and companies mining bauxite. So all activities to produce goods and services which are exchanged for money to fulfill our various needs are the major part of economic activities. Now let us know what are the sectors of economy. The different kinds of economic activities can be classified into specific sectors on the basis of their production. These sectors are the agricultural sector, the industrial sector, and the service sector. Let us first discuss agricultural sector. The process of production in this sector depends primarily on nature. It uses natural process and resources. Various crops such as rice, wheat, corn, millet, maize, cotton, etc. are produced. Forestry is an allied sector to agriculture. Now what does allied means? Allied means connected with. Other allied sectors are animal husbandry, fishery, etc. The second sector is industrial sector. In this sector, goods are manufactured by using machines, tools, and human labor. Industries are classified into cottage industry, small scale industry, or large industry. Goods produced on a very small scale in the household, mostly by family members, are classified as cottage industry. Small scale industry require more capital and labor compared to cottage industry. Production is done using small or medium sized machines. Examples include rice mill and printing press. Large scale industry requires much higher capital and resources than small scale industry. Goods are manufactured in large factories with a large labor force. Cement and steel factories are examples of large scale industry. Our last sector is service sector. This sector covers special services provided by professionals. Example, doctors, legal practice, teachers, etc. Also, this service includes services that support the production process such as transporting goods to distant markets by tractor or trucks, banking services, communication services, etc. All government services fall within this category. So here we have completed first part of our chapter 15. Feel free to clear your doubts. Homework will be followed by this video. Thank you. Stay safe.